So now let's see how we can work around with Quick 3D inside of deprecated folder inside of HitFilm. So over here, if I were to go around under the deprecated folder, then you can see that Quick 3D is an option, and there are many different effects right here, as you can see, which are deprecated. So what you can do is you can go around and bring in these effects right here, as you can see. Like once you bring that in, you can see that a composition layer opens up right here, and you can go around and transform this. So you can go around and change around the opacity, and these are 3D effects right here, so you can go around and move them out, as you can see, and move this out right here. And as I go around and play it, you can see that these are all animated right here, just like this. So this is the bonfire effect right here, just like this right here. Apart from that, there's falling debris right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around, nothing much is seen right here, but let me just go around over here, and then let's just go around and make let's say a composition layer out of it. So let's just go around, make a composition shot right here, and I'm going to go around and bring in falling debris right here on the top right here, just like this, and you can see the debris right here. You can see that that is what you have. You can go around and place it wherever you want right here, and you can go around and change around the scale of it right here, just like this. And this is the effect that you have right here, falling debris right here, just like this. You can go around and then change this out, rotate this out, and you can see that it is 3D right there, just like that. So apart from that, there's fire explosion. So if I were to go around and bring that in, then you can see that you got the explosion effect right here. So you can go around onto transform and scale this out right here, just like this. So you can go around and see that that is the explosion right here. So there's another effect right here, as you can see right here, fire explosion. Then there's fluffy cloud right here. So if I were to go around onto fluffy cloud over here, just like this, then you can see that now there's this cloud effect over here, just like this right here. So if I were to go around and then transform this, let me just go around and scale it. Now you have the cloud effect, as you can see, just like this right here. So that is what you have, and you can go around and change around the position. You can change around the orientation right here, and that is how it works. So let's just go around over here, delete out the fluffy cloud, and then there's missile smoke, as you can see right here. So let's just go around and keep that in. And if I were to go around and expand this, so let's just go around and then expand this right here, and you can see that this is what you have. So let's just go around and turn it into 500%, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. The missile smoke is here. Let me just go around and delete it. Then you can see that there's rain right here, just like this. That is rain right here, as you can see, and there you go, that's the rain. And you can go around and transform it, and over here there's different options over here, like there's the direction, there's the speed, there's the amount right here, and you can see that there's many different effects that you can actually work with right here. And there's this rain effect right here, just like this. And of course you can go around over here and change around the orientation, rotate it, and so forth as you like. So there's a sci-fi shockwave over here, which is another effect. So let's just go around and keep that in. And now this is what you have right here. This is the shockwave effect, as you can see. And you can go around onto transform, and of course you can go around and rotate these out right here, just like this, and get the effect that you want right here. Under the band and everything, you can go around and choose around the color, as you can see right here. So for each of the effects, you can go around, change around the properties right here. The trail right here can have a different color, like let's say for example yellow right here, and then this is what you have, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is what you have. And then apart from that, let me just go around and delete it. There's smoke, as you can see right here. So let's just go around and bring in this smoke. So let's just go around, bring in this smoke right here, and there you go, there's the smoke right here. Let me just go around over here and then scale this out right here, that is scale out the smoke. And then if I were to go around under material right here, you can see that there's shadows and everything out right here. But for the smoke itself, you can go around and increase out the thickness. You can go around, change around the density, the size right here, just like this. And you can go around and change around the color over here, just like this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So this is how you can go around and work around with the smoke. and then you can go around with the sparks over here just like this as well. And if I were to go around over here under sparks, then you can see that as I go around, there's this bit of sparks right here. But let me just go around and then change around the amount of sparks right here just like this, the spark ratio, and even the spread out right here just like this. And let me just go around, change around the color, and then you'll have a bit of sparks over here as well. So you can go around and see the colors right here. You can go around with the transform right here, and then you can see that sparks and everything. Yes, there you go. So there you go. So from the beginning over here, you can see that there's the spark right here. So that is how you can go around and work around with the spark as well. And apart from that, you got the storm cloud, so you can go around and bring that in, and there's a storm cloud as you can see right here. So you can go around and then change around the cloud properties right here, change around the color of the cloud right here as you can see right here, change around the density as you can see, just like this as well. So that is how you can work around with quick 3D effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.